Hello children, this is Shilu Mishra. Welcome to our channel St. James School, Hardoi. Today I will be teaching you English literature. But before that, if you have not subscribed our channel, so please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification. Like and share the video. Thank you. Okay, dear children, the chapter which I am going to start today named The Swiss Family Robinson. What is the name? The Swiss Family Robinson. It is a story about the Swiss family Robinson who get trapped. Trapped means a situation in which a person cannot escape. So the Swiss family get trapped on an island, but in such situation how the family faced difficulties bravely and with strong will. Let's see in this story. Meet. This is the Swiss family, parents and their 4 children. So, the story is this, that the Swiss family Robinson decides to live to a new country. What? The Swiss family decides to live to a new country. So they start their journey on a ship. Where they start their journey? On a ship. There are lots of people on the ship and they enjoy a lot there. But in the midway, what happens? Do you know? No. Suddenly the ship start moving zigzag because a big storm come there. The ship tries hard to sail, but there is an accident. The ship sinks, means the ship start going deep inside the water. But thank to God that the Swiss family knows swimming. So the family swim ashore to an island. Where? They ashore to an island. An island means a piece of land surrounded by water. This is an island. But what they see there when they reach? They see that they are alone, but they are ready to face the problems. So they decide to start a new life on the island. And you know, dear children, God always help those who help themselves. So the Swiss family is very strong. Some tools and some clothes they took from the ship at the time of jumping from there. So they use them. Though the family faced lots of adventures, but they learned much from there. At first, they fell some trees, chop the wood, and use it to make a house on a tree. And by their efforts, they make a very good tree house. This is the tree house made by them. And when the weather is stormy and winter and rainy season, then they move to cave also. And they grow vegetables and fruits from the seed. They hunt for their food. They use salt to keep meat fresh for long, and they cook food on fire. So like this, they start living there happily, and by their efforts, they enjoy a lot and they do not go hungry. They use plants to make paper and clothes. Like this, they start living happily. But one day, what happens, you know? No. they get a chance to leave the island behind and return to Switzerland. But what is their decision? They decide to live on the island forever. Now they don't want to go back, and they are very happy there in the lap of nature. So, like this, the Swiss family face difficulties, but how they find out the happiness in such difficulties by their efforts. We learn very good from the story. We learned that we should always ready to face all the difficulties of life bravely and positively as the Swiss family did. We should never take our step back from the difficulties. Even we should defeat them with our strong will like the Swiss family, because every step of life, dear children, teach us a new lesson and we should learn. So we learned much from this story now. Okay, now I will give you an activity in which I will ask some questions. You have to give answers. Okay? I am reading the sentence and you tell me whether the sentence is true or false. Right? Now start. There are 3 children in the Robinson family.
False.
Yes. How many children?
4.
Very good. Next, the Robinson use plants to keep their meat fresh.
False.
Yes, the Robinson take tools from the ship.
True.
Next, the Robinsons built a house on a tree.
True.
Yes, very good. Next, the Robinsons want to leave the island.
False.
Yes, now you have to fill in the blanks. The Robinsons start new life on an
Island.
yes. The Robinson know
Swimming.
yes. And they hunt for
Food.
very good. Now I am giving you homework, and that is difficult words. First, you learn with me. Number 1, travel. Say the spelling. Travel. 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 Next is storm. 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 Third is ship. 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 And fourth is island. Spelling Island. 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 Fifth is salt. 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 These difficult words you have to write. First you learn and then you write at home. Okay?